Welcome today's digital marketing for everyone session. Today again we are going to see very interesting topic, email marketing. Email marketing is a very unique area where you can get a lot of values in terms of getting more customers, target audience. Okay, this before going to the session, as David Newman said, email has an ability many channels don't, creating values, personal touches at scale. That is true. With email marketing, you can attract more people, reach more target audience. Again, nowadays we are getting, if you see anyone, your mailbox, you will get number of mails, not even read, it will directly go to junk. But that, why it is happening that way, that we will understand from this session. See, we discussed a lot about content marketing, creating content, rich content. How can you create, how can you make very valuable content or vibrating content, all that we discussed. But once you create your content, how can you take the content and give it to the right people or right audience, right customer? That is the place where you need your email marketing. How can I reach my target audience? How can I reach my target customers? How can I reach my own student community? How can I reach my own community? Especially that is nothing but email marketing. This is the only channel. There are a number of channels you can use and reach your target audience, but still the email marketing is a very effective channel to reach your target audience. That's what we are seeing as part of this session. Actually, make them to see this very important point what I told earlier also. Just like that, sending email, it will go to the junk box only. See, how can I make people to read my email? That's a thing we have to understand. See, once you understand the process, then it's very easy for you. How can you use using the email marketing going to the next level? It will take your content to the next level. That's a very important. That's what we are doing. There are paid ads are available, and Gmail and Yahoo Mail, different mails are there. If you even see those mail IDs, you cannot use because they have a lot of restrictions. More than 1,000 mails you cannot send at a stretch. All that things are so limitations of personal mail ID. So for that only we are going for the tools. There are a number of tools to reach bulk mails. So you can use that correct one, take the correct one and use it. It will help you to reach the target audience through email marketing. So before going to the tools, we have to understand three things. What I have to do using email marketing. The one is the 3 point you have to note here. One is the cost. I mean the budget, how much you are going to spend for that. Then the tools, identify which tool I am going to use for email marketing. The third one is the support. What support I am going to provide for email marketing, right? So here a lot of lead magnet tools are available for sending your emails. One is a ConvertKit, Mailchimp, Aweber, and Constant Contact. Infusionsoft. These are the tools available for your email marketing. So once you take any one tool, you will come to know what is the pricing, how much mails I can send per day. So all that you will get to know. Through that you will understand the marketing plan for your email marketing. That's what these tools, using these tools you can reach number of audience. That numbers you can decide how many numbers you want to attack. So Mailchimp is the one tool which we provide even a free support also. You can explore, Google it and find out what is available. Company, again, it's all depends on the company, client, what kind of audience they want, all its budget. All these are matters to decide which tool we are going to use for email marketing. It is a convert your business from email marketing. That has to convert as a business. That is the focus of doing the email marketing. Here you are collecting the information and putting in appropriate way and passing on to the target audience. That's what we are going to do. This is nothing but we used to do business based on the relationship. Now things are changed. Even we are not even meeting our customers. but still we want to sell our product. How I can do that? I have to somehow other way, I have to establish the relationship, right? For that only we are using the emailers. It has to be interesting, it has to be segment, it has to be make the audience to read. That's very, very important point what we have to look here. That is what this lead magnet tools are doing it actually. In ideas, lead magnet ideas are very important for creating email marketing. What are the types you can do in using email marketing? What are the things you can do in email marketing? You can create a PDF document. You can go with ebook, email course, webinar. You can do webinar. Online courses you can do, templates you can create, videos you can create, visuals you can create for even email marketing. All can be done. Accounts, whatever the your customer needs, make it and send it as a email. That is what we are here to do. Promotions related, product related promotions, all can be done as what are the tools we can use it for creating email marketing promotions. You can Microsoft Word we can use, Google Docs we can use, YouTube and Teachable you can use, and think it is. These are the quality of service will improve. Your email quality will increase. So you can get more attention from your target audience, reach who wants to see your information. That's very, very important. See, what we see is tools and techniques we have seen already, but one important thing you have to see in email marketing for successful email marketing: segmentation and target. Segmentation and target your audience is very important in email marketing, otherwise your emails will go to junk box. That is what the point where we have to learn here. Reaching more audience. And again, not only reaching more audience, they have to see the mail. That's very, very important. They have to wait. In fact, if you tell the truth, if you are you are doing the right email marketing, desperately audience wait for your email. That is what we have to create. So for that, what I have to do, that's a point: segmentation and target audience. Segmentation, how can I write? Then one more thing is the writing sequence. We see the writing sequence later. Now we go on segmentation and target audience. The guy who is interested in movies, if you send all education related things, definitely it's not the right segment. The guy, the teenage girl is interested in listening music. If you are sending all kind of storybooks, it's not a right segmentation. So you have to segment it. What kind of a area I'm going to work, who are all interested on that. We have to get their data. Then you have to map. That is very important in email marketing. Music, movie, sports, education, and science, anything you take, segment it and look target audience for each segment. Then you map them. Then your email will be the receiving end. They will enjoy your email. They will communicate to you. Getting communication from the reader is a very big thing in email marketing. If you get it, your business is done. You're getting. See, end of the day, we are doing email marketing for what? Converting business. So that is possible when you segment it and target. This is what we have to do as part of your segment and target. Once you segment and target, then it will be a business. Then you have to write down, you have to go with a writing sequence. Okay, now you are segmented and you got the target audience. Then still I have to work on my email to get their attention, get their response, especially after seeing the mail, they have to respond to the customer, respond to the product manufacturer, respond to the marketer. That's very, very important point we have to look here. So that is possible. Again, what content you are going to send them. You send a content, there is a intro. You can come out with nice intros. You can write a body kind of a things. Even you can add a lot of videos, audios, digital kind of things as part of your. It can be again properly segment and target to the audience. This is what you have to identify on the basis of age, sex, location, earning potential and interest. These are very important area for segmentation. Once the segmentation is over, tagging them, that's again one more point where you have to look: segmentation, target and tag them. Tag them is Tagging them is very important area where we have to look. Why we have to tag you? Tell me. To do continuous follow-up. You got the right audience or the right. He is going to be your potential buyer, your potential user, your potential reader for your material. So what I have to do I can do the follow-up for it. That I have to tag them out. That's a main strategy for follow-up. That's a follow-up and conversion. Follow-up and conversion. For that, you have to tag them. Segment, target, tag. Keep on continue your follow-up activity. Definitely, that will be a conversion. Sequence. How you have to do sequence your writing. Very important. Whether it is education related or medical related or a business automobile related or any other mutual fund related, personal finance related, like that, you have to come back with all your things. Then you work on it. What kind of a material I have to prepare, how to write an email or intro, welcome. You can go with the intro, welcome, or education related, product related description. How can I get follow up means? How can I do that? Follow up is a more you have to work on these things. Then you will continue your email marketing. Again, one more point what we have to see here is the follow up is a major area. Once you tag it, you have to do the follow will give more business. Especially take a case of the gym is in the city, they are running a business. When you are sending that mailers to the expected or prospects, once they see they are showing some interest, if they come to know, you keep on do follow up. One point they will join in your gym or they will refer somebody. That is called your follow up will work, and it will give more business further. That's what we are seeing as part of your email marketing strategy. And again, I'm telling you, when you want to do business, you need to build a relationship. In today's world, building a relationship, personal relationship, it's not possible. So how can I build the emailer? Right emailer is the way to build the relationship between you and the customer or the target audience. Have a great day. Thank you.